I don't know where that came from. I don't know who those people are, right? And then we look it up, and if those people don't respond and verify the debt, then they have to take it off the credit report. That's a good way. I've seen people really take a lot of stuff off the credit report pretty fast. There are also these interesting what they call retroactive credit history hacks, and this is deep. Companies like BoomPay, Rent Reporters, Credit My Rent, and Level Credit can actually go back 24 months, and they can connect your bank account and you provide proof of past rent payments. They scan for verified transactions tied to your lease, and they can report those past payments to major credit bureaus. So you can go back 2 years and report past stuff that maybe wasn't accounted for the first time. And I'll name these companies again. One is called BoomPay, BoomPay, Rent Reporters, Credit My Rent, and Level Credit. Now, here's the thing. I've never used BoomPay. I've never used Rent Reporters. I've never used Credit My Rent, and I've never used Level Credit ever. So do not take this as an endorsement from Dr. Boyce. You're going to have to investigate that yourself, but it might be worth looking at. Also, when you are looking for new credit, you may want to find out if it's going to be a hard inquiry or not. Hard inquiries will appear in your credit score, and that means basically you're looking for more credit, which tends to lower the score. Some companies use verification methods that don't ding your credit score, which is a good thing. And also, when your credit score does improve, which everybody in here is going to improve your credit score. In fact, I should do a survey and ask you where your credit scores are now, because some of y'all, I've met you and I know you got good credit, and that's good. I think that's awesome. Some of you that have low credit, don't neglect it. Do your best. Just do your best. It's okay. You're not. You shouldn't be embarrassed. Like a lot of us go through that. It's not. And sometimes things just happen and hereditary, like you might have bad habits that get passed down from parents. I know Sharon doesn't have that problem. She's a 770. I hear bragging. D Hines is a 800. Okay, these uppity Negroes. Pacola's 710. Good for you. All right, look at y'all. I just love this. All right, so and if you're not a 710 or whatever it is, like just do something with it. You'd be amazed how much you can do just by kind of addressing it and not putting your head in the sand. I think that's the biggest mistake a lot of people make is they just say, "Hey, it's so bad, I'm not even gonna look at it. I don't even know what it is," right? So part of consciousness, financial consciousness, is awareness. Awareness. What is your credit score? Where does it stand? And I think just awareness of everything it makes a difference. Like you think about health awareness. There are some people who have bad health because they won't even go to the doctor because they feel like because they don't like the doctor because they feel like the doctor is going to make them sick or the doctor's going to give them bad news. And the doctor doesn't make you sick. You are already sick. The doctor just told you that you were sick, right? So you have people that really will think that they can stay healthy as long as they don't go to the doctor. No, your health is not going to change. It's just only going to get worse because you're not addressing the underlying issue, right? And so here, so maybe I'm the financial doctor. So if you are a little bit sick in your credit score, don't be ashamed. Just confront it, do your best, and you ain't got to tell nobody. Don't let nobody judge you on that. That's your business. So once you get your credit score up, though, you can refinance high interest debt. That saves a lot of money, right? You're not paying as much in interest. You can qualify for better deals when it comes to borrowing money, and maybe you can get that business credit line, or you can get that money that you need to make those investments. And so what happens there, and where credit can be a beneficiary or beneficial for you, or you can be the beneficiary of good credit, is that it opens the door for you to participate more actively in the economy in a way that's going to accelerate your wealth. Debt is not the devil. Debt is not something that should be avoided at all costs. No, debt is something that can really, really make your dreams come true.